We'll see another command here called the sweep command. So what is sweep command? Now suppose you want to make some irregular or even regular sketch like a pipe or something which has a profile and it has a path. How to do it? So this can be done by sweeping it. So what is sweeping? Let's see. Start sketch, start from top plane. Now let me use this one, spline command. The spline command is used to draw random line, not a regular line, not like a straight line. So let me click on the origin. I make like that, make like this, make like that, making like that. Okay. I made like this. Now I want to make a pipe like this in this profile. So what I need to do, I need to sweep this. Let me make it like this. So at the end of this line here, I will create a profile and I will sweep that profile along this path. So how to do that? Now this whole drawing is done on the top plane. So I need to make a drawing on the perpendicular plane so that I can create the profile. To do that, what I do, I choose, let's say the perpendicular plane is going to be in this case the right plane. I exit the sketch. Okay, choose the right plane here and create a reference plane from your 3D environment. Create a plane and click on this point here. So automatically a perpendicular plane is created here. Say OK. Now this plane is actually perpendicular. Can you see that? It's perpendicular to this entire line. Now I click here. Now I go click on this plane. I create new sketch. Okay. And I try to see that. Okay. Now I place it like this so that I can see what I'm doing. Now again I go here, I click on this line command, or let's say rectangle command, and I make this rectangle. And let's say I give this dimension as 5 and here maybe 10. Then I want this rectangle profile to be swept along this path. So what I do, I go click on this and there's a midpoint coming up here. So I click on that midpoint and click on this point so that I can constrain both of these points together using the coincident command. Now see, this profile that is made on the perpendicular plane is now constrained to that path which I made it on the other plane. So now what I do using these two entities now, I exit the sketch, I go to features, I go to swept bars. Click on swept bars. The swept bars automatically choose the profile, this sketch as a profile. If it has not chosen, you can always click on the sketch, so that will be chosen. Now this one is the path. For the path, I click on this. See now, the path is chosen, the profile is chosen. When I say OK, see, a beautiful ribbon-like structure is created using the sweep command. Now I can go to plane and remove that plane so that I can see how I have swept that entire image. So any kind of profile you want to make with any kind of path, so you can make the profile and then the path on two different perpendicular planes and you can sweep it. So this is how you use the sweep command. Thank you.